Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Add Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for Handloom Business. So I'm running a handloom business, and to promote my business, I'm running lead ads, and I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets. For this, we have to create an integration between Facebook and Google Sheets. We will create this integration with an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, we have trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Facebook, and for action, we are going to use Google Sheets. To know how to do this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand that how can we add our Facebook leads to Google Sheets for a handloom business. So I'm running a handloom business named Crafted with Care, and to promote my business, I'm running lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead in my lead ads account, automatically that lead should be added to my Google Sheet also. For this, we have to create an integration between Facebook and Google Sheets. We are going to create this integration with an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly. To start with this automation, I'm going to click on sign in because I'm an existing user. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. I'm going to click on sign in. After clicking on access now, it is opening my Pabbly's account dashboard. This is my dashboard, and to start with the automation, we have to click on this button which is saying create workflow. After clicking on create workflow button, it is asking me the name of the workflow and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets automation. You can select your desired folder, and then I'll name the workflow as Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets for handloom business, and then I'm going to click on create. After clicking on create, it is opening my workflow, and this is the most important window of our workflow, that is the trigger and action window. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the whole workflow and actions follow the command, which means that we can have only one trigger but we can have multiple actions in a particular workflow. So for our trigger, I'm going to select the application as Facebook lead ads. And for the trigger event, I'm going to select new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is received, instantly that lead should be added to my Google Sheet. If you don't want this process to happen instantly, you can click on new lead. After that, I'm going to click on connect. As you can see, this is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So I'm going to click on add a new connection, and if you have an existing connection in Pabbly's account, you can click on select existing connection. After that, I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. After that, I'm going to select my account, then click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Pabbly's account to our Facebook lead ads. After connecting, it is asking me the page and all leads in form. So as you know, the name of our page is Crafted with Care. So I'm going to select Crafted with Care. And for the leads in form, I'm going to select Crafted with Care because I want that all the leads of this particular form only should be added to my Google Sheets. If you want that all the leads of all your forms should be added, you can also select all leads in forms. But I'm going to click on Crafted with Care, and then I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that we have to generate a lead so that Pabbly can capture the response. So to generate a lead, we are going to open Meta for Developers. And then we are going to go on more and then tools. After that, we'll select lead ads. And then we are going to select the page and the form. After selecting the page and form, I'm going to click on preview form. And as you can see, it is asking me the full name, the email and the phone number. So I'm generating a dummy lead, so I'll enter the dummy details. After that, I'm going to click on next and then submit. To learn how to create your own form, you can check out our YouTube channel. As you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. So we'll go back to our Pabbly's account and check that if Pabbly has captured the lead or not. And yes, you can see the dummy name that we entered, the dummy email and the dummy phone number. Pabbly has captured the lead. After that, we are going to set up our action step. For the action step, the application would be Google Sheets. And the action event would be add a new row. After that, we are going to click on connect. Again, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So I'm going to click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. I will select my Gmail account and then I'm going to click on allow. You can give Pabbly the permissions because it is safe. As you can see that my Google Sheets account is successfully connected with my Pabbly's account. After connecting the account, it is asking me for the name of the spreadsheet and the name of the sheet. So as you can see, the name of the spreadsheet is Facebook Leads and the name of the sheet is Handloom. So I'm going to select the name of the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads and the name of the sheet as Handloom. After that, I'm going to map the name, the phone number and the email. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step, and as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected the trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads. So we are going to map the data we received from our trigger step, that is Facebook Lead Ads. So we are going to map our demo response, that is the full name, the phone number and the email. After mapping all three, we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, you can see that we have received a positive response. This means our data has been added to the spreadsheet. So we'll go to our spreadsheet and check it once. And yes, you can see that our data has been added to the spreadsheet. It is saying name, demo user, the dummy phone number and the dummy email. So we are going to go and test our workflow once again. After opening Lead Ads testing tool, I'll just delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to preview the form or add a new lead. After that, we are going to select our page. After selecting my page, I'm going to select my form and then I'm going to click on preview form. Again, we are going to enter the dummy details. After entering the dummy details, I'm again going to click on next and then submit. You can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. So we'll go to our Google Sheets and check that if Google Sheet has captured the lead or not. And yes, you can see the dummy name, the dummy phone number and the dummy email that we entered in our Lead Ads testing tool. Google Sheet has captured it. This means that our workflow is successful. We'll just summarize the workflow once. For our trigger application, we selected Facebook Lead Ads, and then for the trigger event, we selected New Lead Instant. We connected our Facebook Lead Ads account to our Pabbly's account. After that, we selected the page and the lead gen form. I selected the page as crafted with care, and these are all the pages of my Facebook account. After that, we clicked on Save and Send Test Request and we generated a dummy lead. And for our action step, we selected Google Sheets as our application and add a new row as our action event. After that, we connected our Google Sheets account to our Pabbly's account. And then we selected the spreadsheet, the sheet. We mapped these details and then we clicked on Save and Send Test Request. We also tested the workflow once. If you have any query, you can directly comment on this video. And if you want to clone this workflow, I'll share the link of this workflow in the description box for your help. Thank you for watching. Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.